Hey y'all! Together we're going to practice mindful eating. This is going to be an extra fun one because we get to eat. So before we start, go and choose a small favorite food item like a piece of chocolate, a fruit, or any other snack you have handy. With the item you choose, I'm going to ask you to observe and describe it. Try not to place judgment on it like if it's good or bad. Don't worry, I will help you through it. First, look at the food you chose. What is its shape? What size is it? What color is it? What smell do you notice? What sensation do you notice in your mouth as you look at the food? Lastly, what is your stomach starting to feel as you think about it? Now, hold it in your fingers and look at it in your grasp. What does it feel like in your hand? What is the texture or the temperature like? If your food needs to be unwrapped, pay attention to the sound and the feeling of unwrapping it. Bring the food slowly to your lips. Before putting it in your mouth, pause and be aware of what you're experiencing in your mouth. Slowly open and place it on your tongue for a moment without biting into it. Feel what your mouth wants to do with the food. Take a few moments before you bite into it. Feel the texture on your tongue and on your mouth. Now, bite into it, noticing what you taste and what it feels like. As you continue to taste, try not to swallow it right away. Does it taste and feel change as you're chewing? Now, feel the food going down as you swallow. Notice your stomach and what it is feeling. And notice what you are feeling. When we focus on all the small feelings and observations of just eating, and we don't judge it, we practice mindfulness.